The fifth very important tip is that you can build a website business. It is not difficult to start a website design business as well. A lot of things are going online. The opportunities are really huge, and if you can really pitch it well, using social media marketing to reach newer and newer audience, you can definitely build a side business for yourself without investing too much of money, which I can call a website business. Thank you and have a good day.